let's move to our next mail, which is from Allahabad, and he is Aditya Chopra. He said, I am running a banquet hall and also have a party garden too. From last year, I could meet up only my expenses as it is no giving any profit. Can Vastu help to make it profitable?
Well, Mr. Aditya Chopra, the business you are doing is a very good business nowadays, but as you have written that you have sent a mail that it is not going on and you are just meeting your expenses only. So, well, the thing is that the trend of celebrating marriages in banquet party lawns is increasing day by day. For smooth working of banquet hall, construct this prospective place with Vastu principle for better and progressive future. For that you need to again consult expert. Well, still I am giving you some of the tips so that you can properly arrange where to properly arrange for any party or any marriage sort of thing. So, you need to place a stage in the marriage hall or the party lawn. The stage can be positioned ideally in west, so that couple sitting on it, they should face east. Plot of the marriage hall should be in a regular shape, for instance square or rectangle, while avoiding round or oval shape banquet hall. Just for the sake of decoration, you must not go for these type of awkward shapes. Electrical equipments including dance floor, music systems and even transformer must be located in southeast. Cooking arrangements, pantries and anything fire related thing must also be in southeast. Parking lots can be made in northwest, south, east or northeast as practically possible. Arrangement for food and snacks should be towards northwest or north. Sitting arrangement for the guests must be in south, southwest, west, it could be north too. Mandap for marriage must be arranged in east. Toilets in northwest or west, and the cabin of the owner should preferably constructed in southwest. Stays in the hall could be placed in south, southwest and west. So, these are the tips I have given you. You please check you did not mention any bore well or sump in your banquet hall. If you please check it, and if it is wrong, you must take care that the sump or the boring should be in the northeast, because you need lot of water while arranging all these parties. So, take care about that. And northeast, you need to check it again, I am repeating it, you need to check it, and if it is not, you do a borewell and you see the difference.
Okay, Dr. Batra, well, it's a very interesting information, whatever you told you. I think Aditya, you must follow all the direction, whatever Dr. Batra suggests you, and definitely you will get the positive response after that.
After that, your each and every program will be a big hit.
Okay, yes. Definitely. And we wish for him.
Yeah, exactly.
Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560 423 423 9560 546 546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.